Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The Best Santa Feet Prince is probably one of the most magical and enchanting additions to your holiday decorations, transforming your home into a scene straight out of a Christmas fairy tale and creating unforgettable memories for your loved ones, especially the little ones who believe in the spirit of Santa Claus. Number 5. Santa Claus Book and Snow Boot Stencil Kit. Get ready to create magical holiday memories with this unique stencil kit. It's perfect for adding a festive touch to your crafts and decorations. This kit includes everything you need to bring the spirit of Santa Claus to life. Imagine the joy on your loved ones' faces as they see your creations. Crafted from durable paper, these stencils are designed for ease of use. Achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort, making holiday crafting a breeze. Looking for a thoughtful and creative gift? This stencil kit is an ideal present for anyone who loves to craft or wants to add a special touch to their holiday season. From story time with the Santa Claus book to decorating with the Snow Boot stencil, this kit offers endless possibilities for fun. Make this holiday season unforgettable. What we like? This kit comes with a book and paper stencils. If you are looking for a simple, budget-friendly option that includes a story element, this is a great choice. It's perfect for families who want to create a magical Santa experience with a narrative touch. What people say. The book perfectly explains the snow, so when the kids see it and feel that it's warm and doesn't melt, they recognize that it's magical. There is enough to use a couple of years in a row. Very easy cleanup, not a hassle at all via broom or vacuum. My throw rug was not damaged, nor was the hardwood floors. Number 4. CCINEE Christmas Santa Footprint Stencil Kit. Bring the magic of Santa Claus right into your home this Christmas. Our stencils create enchanting footprints, leading the way to holiday fun. This kit includes everything you need to create a festive trail. You'll find Santa's footprints, playful elf prints, and charming snowflakes for a complete holiday look. Simply use your favorite paint or chalk to trace through the hollow designs. Apply them to floors, walls, windows, or any smooth surface for instant holiday cheer. Crafted from sturdy, washable material, these stencils are built to last. Easily clean them after use and store them for many Christmases to come. These exquisite designs will guide your guests to a festive surprise, creating a truly magical and unforgettable Christmas Eve for everyone. Ideal for all your DIY holiday projects, they add a happy and festive atmosphere to windows, doors, tables, and more. What we like? This set offers a variety of festive designs including footprints, snowflakes, and even elf prints. If you want versatility and the ability to reuse your decorations year after year, this is the one for you. It's ideal for creating a complete Christmas scene on various surfaces. What people say. We'll be using these every year with the canned snow. We sprinkled flour over these from our fireplace to the tree. Our girls' faces looking at these Christmas morning was amazing. They couldn't believe that they could see Santa's footprint. We did these with the fake spray snow. Number 3. Santa Boot Print Stencil. Create a magical Christmas scene with these Santa Boot Print stencils. They're designed to look like Santa's very own footprints, left and right included. Made from durable mylar plastic, these stencils are reusable year after year. Simply sprinkle flour or your chosen material over the stencil and lift to reveal the print. Use them to create a trail of Santa's footprints leading right to your Christmas tree. It's a simple yet effective way to add a touch of wonder to your holiday decor. Watch your children's eyes light up with excitement as they discover these magical prints. It's a fantastic way to bring the magic of Santa Claus to life for them. This decoration is fun for adults to set up and will ignite the imagination of any small child. Make your holiday season even more special with this delightful touch. What we like? This stencil provides large, impactful Santa boot prints and is designed for a simple application using flour. If you want a quick and dramatic effect that will truly amaze children, this is your best bet. It's perfect for creating that classic Santa was here moment with minimal fuss. What people say. The footprints are a good size and look realistic. Easy to use and stick well to the floor. Great for creating a magical Christmas atmosphere. Number 2. Christmas Peppermint Floor Clings Decorations. Add a touch of holiday magic to your home with these charming floor clings. They are perfect for creating a festive atmosphere during the Christmas season. You'll receive 268 pieces featuring a variety of Christmas designs. These include Santa and elf footprints, candy canes, snowmen, and more to delight your guests. Made from static cling material, they are incredibly easy to apply and remove. You won't have to worry about any sticky residue left behind. These decorations are suitable for a wide range of smooth surfaces. Use them on floors, windows, mirrors, and even staircases to spread holiday cheer. They are ideal for Christmas parties, Candyland themes, or simply enhancing your home decor. Surprise your guests by leading them to the festivities with Santa's footprints. Crafted from safe materials, they adhere strongly to various floor types like tile and linoleum. They are also safe to clean, ensuring lasting holiday charm. What we like. This is a massive pack of static cling decorations with numerous festive elements. If you need a lot of decorations for a large party or want a variety of characters and symbols beyond just footprints, this is an excellent value. It's ideal for classrooms, large gatherings, or anyone who loves abundant holiday cheer. What people say. These are a great way to make Santa's visit magical for the kids. The footprints are large and clear, making them look very realistic. Easy to use, just sprinkle the powder and create the tracks. Number 1. Mocoosy Christmas Stencils for painting. Create a truly magical Christmas experience for your children. These stencils help you craft Santa's footprints, ensuring they continue to believe in the magic of the season. Crafted from high-quality PET plastic with laser-cut edges, these stencils are safe and smooth to the touch. They are designed to be thick and durable for repeated use. Made from sturdy, reusable plastic, these templates are built to last. They are easily cleaned with soap and water, making them a flexible and safe choice for all your holiday crafting. Surprise your guests with enchanting Santa footprints leading the way. These versatile templates can be used for a variety of projects, adding a special touch to your holiday celebrations. Perfect for a wide range of DIY projects, these templates can be applied to most flat surfaces. Use them on wood, glass, fabric, or walls for unique Christmas decorations. This set includes Santa Claus footprint and snowflake stencils, each with unique designs. They are perfect for creating festive holiday scenes and adding a touch of winter wonder. What we like. This set focuses on painting stencils for creating Santa footprints and snowflakes. If you enjoy the creative process of painting and want durable, reusable tools for detailed designs, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for crafters and DIY enthusiasts looking to add a personalized touch to their holiday decor. What people say. Easy to use, surprisingly realistic, and absolutely convincing to small children who already believe hard. Bonus points for being quick, mess-free, and reusable. Made it look like Santa came in and delivered the presents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.